Really, Wesley? That's supposed to attract the friggin' birds? Louder!
It's
Thank you, Jesus.
Hey Wesley, keep leaning on that. I'm gonna push it off.
Damn you, branch. Damn you, damn you, damn you, damn you.
We could just move the branch.
Listen, you have to hold your feet like this.
Don't miss! Michael sucks! Michael sucks! Hercules sucks!
It didn't blow up.
Again.
To begin with.
What?
Oh, I see.
Because I
about
spout
arrows.
forth spontaneous things.
Alright, are we
including
filming?
chicken rafage. Yes, we're filming.
Hercules sucks!
Your mother is a whore.
That's pretty funny. You
Let's
missed
Back in tree.
Restart, retry.
Reset.
the first time with epic success.
Recording.
Third
Still,
time.
we are still recording, just so you know.
Really?
Let's get your face out of there.
Oh,
Yeah, Wesley.
Riley.
It doesn't work.
It's the
Nope.
this time.
It's harder than it looks.
Perfectly the first 2 times.
And then Wesley started talking.
Okay, Wesley, you make your bar noise and nothing else. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Wesley, cue Wesley.
Okay, arrow and okay.
Wesley cued in
Next
3.
time, I'm just going to shoot that
2,
out of the tree before you
1.
shoot it, just so we can have an outtake.
Never mind. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wesley, bar noise.
Really, Wesley? That's supposed to attract the friggin' birds? Louder!
It's
Thank you, Jesus.
BAM! 1.
I think he took its head off.
Latin class will have something.
Okay, notice that how much
Wesley-
power is all still on it.
23 minutes of power. We're fine.
I'm not gonna charge it.
I'm gonna tap my head and rub my tummy.
Michael, well, this is a rather amusing scene of the back of your shirt. We
Wait,
actually
this
can't
is on,
see you.
isn't
Look out of the tree. That's one. That's one.
We can't actually see you, Michael, so everyone will just have to
Wesley,
assume
get
from this
in the tree or
dialogue that
just
it's
out of
you.
the tree.
It could easily be Wesley.
Can't be stuck.
Okay, I'm gonna. If I'm,
Wesley, choose!
Up or down? Today, God. I would say a vulgarity here, but I know that the camera's on. I'm
two
watching
choices.
you.
We could bleep it.
There are 2 choices.
Welcome!
Choice A?
Guess what the word I'm saying
No. That was good.
is? If you guessed that word was,
That was perfect. There are 2 choices. Choice A
if you
and
guessed
choice
that word
no.
was, beep, then you were correct. If you guessed that word was, beep, you're wrong.
Okay.
We're
I'm
pressing
about to shoot this bird. Ready?
Wait. Yeah, never mind. Just go. 3. We're still recording. Go.
Lol.
Cut.
The bird's in half.
Okay,
but
that's
That's perfect.
it wasn't as beautiful as the other.
And we're still recording the in-betweens.
Where is it?
The arrow's in the
perfectly
tree.
still, then
The arrows. Oh, pwn. Wait, what?
so I have a tree there.
Actually stuck in the tree?
Yes, it is stuck in the tree.
See, look, right there. It's in the branches.
Wait. Oh,
Is it split?
Where?
Yes, it's split. Damn it.
always.
Skills.
These things are so
Yeah,
cheap that I can afford to do anything.
We may have a problem here.
Well,
On the other hand, you pwned that bird.
That we did.
Yes, that thing has
For
no
that
chance
shot-
to survive, and it did
for
not
that
make
shot-
its time.
For that shot, I think it was worth it. Are we in agreement?
Yes.
We just need some tape and you
Yeah,
shoot
you
it again.
oh, right. That's because it's the
Yes,
arrow
I
that
made
didn't have
Wesley
a
move.
tip on it,
That would explain it.
I think. Let me check.
If one of them's completely dead, can I take it with me
Got
and
another
then
one without
poke people with it?
Well, the one without a tip is the one being fired, because I still want some arrows after this is done.
We only need one more, so we don't.
Okay. Can I get that shot?
We need one more aim chain shot.
Okay.
I'm sorry, that sounded to me like.
you hit them, that would have been like...
Artillery fire.
You can see the leaves falling off the trees.
Yeah, I did.
I love doing
That was all recording, wasn't it? Awesome.
Okay.
That's a dead arrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Last aim change shot. Michael, you ready?
I give my heart to my fallen comrade. Get the hell away.
Wait a second, let's get a shot of that arrow on the ground.
Now can I finish your
You see it?
Why are we doing this?
I'm bored.
Okay.
Why not?
Wait until we're done.
Alright.
Last bird.
What hell? Why is it not seeing it?
Are we... Is we...
Right.
There we go.
in the state
Yeah,
of
that's the
ready?
arrow.
Is we being in the state of ready?
Ours is nearing
We're
the
actually
same
recording,
distance
so
we
yes.
left
Okay,
I'd
well,
say.
alright.
That's a really bad angle on the bird. Get over here.
No, we're changing later. We have to get an changing hand. And Michael, move a bit that way so we can, you know, keep your face in there.
Am I in the...
Why are you wearing the Che hat?
Why not?
Because I have
You haven't noticed?
I just didn't think about it. Okay, let's go.
Hey Wesley, keep leaning on that. I'm gonna push it
Damn
off
you,
in a second.
branch. Damn you, damn you, damn you, damn you.
We could just move the branch. Was it? Is it
Give me a second. Need to
I'm not going to be able to get this shot.
There might be a better tree we can hang it up on.
Yeah.
Let's hang
Oh,
it
but this one's the
from
hardest
its
one.
neck.
It's the most impressive when you
Oh,
succeed.
no, I can get it here.
And I can see it, so we're good. I'm actually recording.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Please rape, please rape, please rape. No.
Ready, set, steel arrow.
You realize this is all recorded, right?
Very well.
Listen, you have to hold your two hands.
Bam! Dead.
Two hands like that.